That's the whole thing. I'm using my hotspot from my phone.
Oh, shoot.
So we're going to have a ride today. Let's see. All right. How's your morning going so far for you, bro?
Going all right. I woke up slightly earlier today, which is cool.
Okay. I know you're normally not the first one on the stream. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm surprised.
Yeah, I usually wake up pretty late. I kind of fell asleep with my light on. I was so tired.
That's when you know you had a long day.
I didn't even do anything yesterday. That's the thing.
Well, it could have just been your body wants some sleep. That's all.
Yeah,
What's up, Rob? Good morning. Let's see here. Yeah, so from last night's stream, we dip back down into that range from yesterday, and then we've been pushing up ever since. Pushing back up from it. So we're going to see what we get today. Let me make sure this thing's loaded properly. Do I take trades today? That is the $1 million question. What's up, Niner? Good morning. Curious to see how you trade. Why did that not come in here? That's weird. Curious to see how you trade with the news at 9:45 and 10. Not going to trade it. Not going to trade it. That's how I'm going to trade it today. And my chat is, today's a disruption day or something. Like, this is crazy. Because my chat is not. All right, let me quit that. Let me reload it.
I don't want to marry any kind of biases at the moment, but I do see that we have a little bit of some miscorrelation here at the start of the day because ES has already ran Asia high and NQ has not.
Okay.
So if we start seeing some bearish reaction, I wouldn't be surprised.
Hey, well, we're here for it. Good morning, everybody. Some of my stuff hasn't been working all that great. So if I don't respond to a chat, just know I may not have seen it yet. Brett, good morning. What's up, official? Morning, G. BP beat you this morning, bro. Oh, hold on. Oh, that's what I'm messing with my internet connection. Hey, baby.
Oh, BP, you beat me this morning, huh?
I didn't order anything yet. I was just trying to get my normal water. But my internet's not working on my trading computer this morning, so yeah. So I'm connected to the. No, I'm connected to my hotspot, so I'll need to jump off with you because I don't want it messing up. Yeah, no, I'm good, baby. But love you.
What you think the market about to do, BP? You think it's gonna do like a quick pump and dump?
Very possible. So going into the start of the day right now, just looking at this on the hourly or /15-minute chart, NQ has kind of just been sitting inside of the Asia range, and ES actually went up and swept Asia high already. So if we do start seeing some kind of bearish reaction, I wouldn't be surprised, but I think I'd want to see price probably get, let's see, I guess below, like, we'd have to drop like 70 points before I guess I'd want to like see that for the higher time frame confirmation. But let's see if I can see some lower time frame confirmation.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm just looking for a flag.
I was looking at that. at your I was pretty much watching the thing you did on Tuesday.
Yeah, we're gonna be doing another one. Like, it didn't record onto my hard drive, so that's from the Zoom recording on Tuesday. So we're doing another training this coming Tuesday. And that one, I'm actually buying a brand new external hard drive, so that way we shouldn't have no issues.
Okay.
So that, because I want the screen extremely clear. Where those Zoom recordings, they're like pixelated. I don't like it. I'm gonna try executing some trades today, right? I'm gonna try. Keyword try. My internet on my trading computer, the screen that you guys are watching, that's being fed right now through my 5G hotspot from my phone, which is weird because this has happened to me before on this computer where my internet is fine. I'm streaming with my regular internet, but my trading computer, it's not trying to connect to my internet at my house here. So right now we're on a hotspot. We're going to see how I'm feeling, because I don't know if I want to copy trade 15 accounts on a hotspot.
I wouldn't.
Just saying.
I wouldn't.
Use your dial-up. Use your dial-up, sucker.
What's up, Steve?
It won't connect to the internet at your house, but only to your hotspot on your phone.
Yeah, so it's weird. This has happened before, and then like later in the day it'll connect to my house again. No clue.
If there was some kind of update, maybe it's like a security patch or something like that, I would check those systems or those things first. Also, I if you would have rebooted your router, maybe come back and refresh.
Yeah, I didn't want to reboot the router because I was a minute away from starting the stream.
Listen, I'm just telling you how it is, brother.
No, I know. You tell me how it is. You tell me how it is. We got news at 9:45 and 10 o'clock today, gentlemen. So keep that in mind. We are currently above the VWAP. That VWAP 419.75. 419.75 there. We got our fancy 21 EMA sitting up here at 508.50. 508.50 for that 21 EMA on the 2-minute chart, folks. 2-minute charts. That's what I'm looking at right now. On top of that, we have a pivot point, a magnet at 538.75. 538.75. And then a pivot all the way down 343.75. So got a little bit of space in between those pivots. We're going to wait to see what happens with the market today. So if we see a good move, so we can execute. If we don't see a good move, we won't execute. Because I refuse to give the market any of my bread. I don't know about y'all. I like having my bread in my pocket. So I ain't giving the market nothing today. I'm trying to take from it.
Look, and that goes back, because I remember back in the day, I used to call you the crouton kid, because you forget about the bread in your pocket and it mold out and get crispy.
Yeah, something happened.
Uh-oh, Dwayne D-Rock is looking away and stuck.
No, I'm trying to get my TV turned to where I normally have it on. What's up, Travis? Been a little bit, bro. Hopefully you've been well, brother.
Croutonia.
Just looking for a base hit today. Looking for a base hit. You know what I'm saying? Like, if I could make like $300 to $400 on these 15 PA accounts, your boy ain't gonna be complaining. Just saying. Getting ready for market open. 2 seconds. 2 seconds for market open. Here we go. There we go. Market's open.
Oh, wow, man, it's really moving, isn't it?
I'm honestly watching the price action. I'm trying to make sure both of these are like lined up pretty close, since the screen that you guys are watching right now, that's on a hotspot right now. So I just want to make sure that price ain't doing anything different than my trading view.
Order failed.
No order fill. No.
Okay, dude, I was thinking. Whew.
No order fills yet. We got news at 9:45.
I want to.
Hey, you do it, baby.
I wouldn't take it now. We just tapped that VWAP. No, it just dropped pretty quick right there.
Yeah.
I don't know what market you're looking at.
I know that you were a little bit behind to join, but I was talking about how there's a big bearish S&P at the highs on NQ asset at the moment.
Yeah.
Let me get some lines here.
I should have took it. I would already be halfway to TP.
Don't be mad, BP. You saw the move. You saw what was happening.
BP,
Let that give you more confidence.
We just hit the 1 hour EMA.
Ugh.
Where's, I guess we'll have to wait. That was a big drop, man. Shit.
Still going.
And I do not want to chase this. I do not want to chase this.
I see your finger twitching, and you ignored my crouton joke, so you're on my shit list. I mean,
Oh, God. Okay.
Jane would like to see a flag.
No, I got to load my Replicanto.
Hey, fucking I thought you weren't copy trading, Mr. Jive Turkey.
Well, I had to restart my whole Ninja Trader this morning.
So you just leave Ninja Trader on like 24 hours a day?
Yeah, I do not touch it whatsoever.
I mean, I like to close out of it to like get the, make sure like everything's like refreshed and all that. But then again, it's like I'm using it overnight too, so.
Yeah. The screen will be back in a second, folks. I am literally just setting this up for my copy trader. Making sure the ATM would copy all that stuff.
Oh, he's setting up for like 15 accounts right now. He's so.
Steve, I have no knowledge of what you're talking about.
Oh yeah, I plead innocent, son.
And maybe the first trade I take, I'll do like on an eval just to make sure.
Oh.
Just to make sure it's not like lagging.
No, I like how you slow down your talk. It's like getting lagging.
Well, I have really good news for y'all. Really good news. Your boy is staying disciplined off the charts. So it should show up on the charts. And we're coming right down to this freaking pivot point.
Okay,
this is
what are we talking about?
I'm currently down another 2 pounds since Friday.
W.
You know what I'm saying? I'm literally 8 pounds away from being back in the 200s. And mama, there goes that man. You know what I'm saying? We getting real close. We getting that 200s again. Listen, I may be wearing robes on all my streams moving forward. Just saying. Been a minute. It's been a minute.
A cigar and a robe. This is getting weird, man. I don't know if this is the thing I'm supposed to be watching right now.
And the traders hangouts will be the traders hangout after dark. That's what it's gonna be called.
Sounds like a 1990s Cinemax cable show after your parents went to bed. Now showing Bikini Car Wash 3. Oh.
I remember those too because my parents didn't have cable for a very long time.
Yeah.
Like, so whenever I would go over to my grandparents' house, my granddad had everything. HBO, all the good stuff back in the day. And best believe I was that bad kid late night. Like, oh my
Sorority Girls 4. For the plot.
All right, we're through that pivot point there. We're through that pivot, and this thing is just coming on down here. So, let me see something. We have news at 9:45. News at 9:45 here.
Oh, that's probably why. Okay. I would assume.
Honestly, if the way the momentum and everything's like if we stay below this pivot, we may try going down to the next pivot 219.75 because we had the big pump up because of the FOMC yesterday for that yesterday's high, and that just continued for the Asian session. So we're going to have to see what we get here. Lots of momentum to the downside right now. I would like to see a flag. Yes, I would like to see a flag. To keep it a little bit safer.
Right now, Duane would like to see a clock.
Well, it's 9:36. We're still waiting, anticipating. Yeah, I'm slightly debating not to copy trade those accounts.
That's why you have rebooted a Replicanto.
Well, I put it just in case everything was actually moving pretty smooth. You know what I'm saying? But I'll know when I execute this first one on these evals here to see if it's working good enough for me to want to actually trade. Because I'm not trying to mess anything up. Because I just need a base freaking hit so we could get these big old payouts. That's it. Because if I can make like $50,000 in the month of May, your boy, listen, those giveaways gonna look real different. That's all I'm saying.
Yeah, you did send me a box of Cracker Jacks.
A box of Cracker Jacks. Yeah, look at this pressure right now. I'm liking it. I am liking it, but let's see if we get a little flaggy flag. We got news at 9:45. News at 9:45, gentlemen. So keep that in mind. Let me bring this line down. Because I personally would like to see an actual bear flag, believe it or not, to give us that confirmation we're still going to be going down.
Well, go to the 1 minute chart and then you can see it.
Hey, Steve's right. We got on that 1 minute chart a bear flag. Slightly nervous to work out with my trainer today. He hit me with make sure you wear comfortable shoes. When they hit you with that, just know you're gonna be moving a whole lot.
Yeah, you do like 300 side steps.
For all the people on YouTube, welcome to the morning stream with the Legacy Wealth Society and myself. The voices you hear other than my own, those are the members of the Legacy Wealth Society market makers. They get asked me questions live. So those are the voices you're hearing. Hopefully you're staying safe in these crazy, crazy markets this morning. We're going to see what we get so we can execute some base hits today. The screen that you're looking at, that top chart, that's a Renko chart. The bottom two charts are the standard candlesticks. The screen is actually being powered by a 5G hotspot right now. My internet at my house does not want to connect to my trading computer. So we're going to have to be cautious today. Be cautious. So I'm going to be very cautious when trading.
Yeah, ABB, the Dow is acting strange again.
Yeah, it is. It's doing its own thing, but at least NQ and ES are being pretty consistent right now.
Yeah, I see that.
Which I'm not mad at myself, but I literally had my order almost set up and I didn't do anything.
Well, you know, you were waiting for me, and I appreciate that, but you can go on without me next time, and I'll catch you in a second. No, BP is loyal, man. You know, I'm gonna say this. I've talked to him, you know, kind of reached out to him, and he's like an awesome fucking icon, man. Straight up.
Dang. You're an icon, BP.
I think that Duane is the ultimate icon.
No.
Listen, you know, it's like, you know, we're standing in the shadow of giants, okay?
Yo, this is so hard to watch right now.
It
Like, just watching this right now is so hard to watch because I'm not clear to trade yet. But this momentum, y'all know I like me some momentum.
The crazy part was is all I was wanting was for price to just start pushing below 459. That's where I was interested in getting it.
Let's see if we stay below this 300 level. I feel like we're going to come down, retest that range from yesterday. The way that this thing's moving.
Let's see. NQ's already taken London low, so we need ES to kind of catch up and drop like another 22 points.
Who's upset besides me that they didn't take this?
I'm not upset, but it's like, dang. Look at the drop before I'm even cleared to trade. But let's see if we get a little flag.
Drop.
Like, we may be able to start getting us a little flag here, which I won't be complaining about.
I need coffee.
Alexa, brew coffee.
We got news. Oh, thank God I saw that. That had me up on 4 contracts. Because I shut down my Ninja Trader and restarted it. Let's see if we possibly get a little flag here. Because you don't want to...
Just keep in mind, you're going to be going right into news, baby.
No, I know. I'm not taking anything. But I want to see us start getting a confirmation that we're going to continue down here. Because you never want to buy at the bottom. Or sell at the bottom when we're getting ready to rip back up. Because as Moose would say, he's looking for a retracement.
Absolutely.
Yeah, I'm not trying to be in that retracement.
Tracing back up right now.
I want to see if we build some structure here for a bear flag, to be honest.
I'm waiting for it to get to like the 360, the 420 area, and then probably short again from there.
Okay. Yeah, we got that pivot up there at the 343 on the Ninja Trader. Let's see if that matches. Yep, 343.50 is the pivot. If we can stay below that pivot, that's a good sign for a potential another short. So even if the price goes up, that's what I'm looking at as like our cap. If we get above that pivot, I'm okay, cool. I'm not going to try shorting.
Okay, shoddy.
Okay. And I'm pretty excited that the 5G hotspot is keeping everything pretty unison between Tradeify, because the Tradeify stuff on this computer is actually on my internet, where my trading computer is on a hotspot right now. So what in the world? Hold on.
I'm holding.
Why is there a car in my driveway? Oh, yo, I was about to pop off. No, it was just like, no, there's just like this random car in my driveway, right? Random car in my driveway. And I'm like, who's that in my driveway? Like, people don't park in my driveway whatsoever. Oh, I forgot my girl's getting a massage. The masseuse just parked in the driveway. All right. Because like this black car that's not the best. So like, what is going on?
Dude, you would shit yourself if you saw my car, but it's okay. You know what it is.
We popped above that pivot point. Let's see if we reject from that pivot to take us back down here. If we start pumping above, news as well just came out. 9:45 news. Next news is at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news will be coming out too.
Hey, Duane, is it stormy over there?
No, it's slightly cloudy.
It's getting some gusty stuff. We got that pivot
Yeah, we're right at that pivot. We're currently above it, right? I did not want us getting above that pivot if I'm looking for a short. So right now, I'm no longer looking for a short unless we have a serious rejection, or if we build a nice structured flag on that 2-minute chart right there. That's what I'd be looking for. Let's drop down to the 1. Let's see if we didn't get anything on that 1. Trying to see if we potentially got like a little bull flag or something. We did not. Oh. Let's get another line going here. Because since we're above that pivot, let's see if we hold above that pivot, build us a little bull flag to take us higher.
Oh my goodness.
I know we're wild today. We're wild today.
I got so much stuff I need to do today.
We're back below that pivot. That's okay. If I'm taking the short, I'll be waiting until we get down to that bottom yellow line there. Looking at that 5-minute, that's looking like a bear flag on that 5-minute there. So that's a good little sign. Oh, Nellies. Patiently waiting, watching that 5-minute chart, watching the 5 right now.
Hey, Uncle BP, are you gonna be like doing anything with the orb possibly, scaling it that way?
Maybe. Right now, I mean, they're looking at the 15-minute orb. We're still inside of it.
Yep. The low of that orb, the low of the 15-minute range today is 271. 271 is the low. And the high is up there at 491.25. 491.25. What's up, Yaz? Good morning.
I do. Thank you, BP. I know where the range is, so but
Well, BP didn't say it, I said it, so that's kind of crazy.
I know, but he was telling me that we're still in the range, so. Between waiting on this market and wanting to kill the idiot that invented the bimetal choke for a mowing machine, the two things are on my mind right now. How do you feel about bimetal chokes, BP?
Yeah.
Bimetal chokes.
Yeah, it's like that because they don't want you to like run the choke on your lawnmower, so it puts that stupid thing in. It fails.
On like a riding lawnmower or on like a push mower?
Push mower.
Like the one that's connected to like the governor?
Yeah, so it like automatically chokes it for you because the average Nimrod can't like run an engine anymore.
Yeah.
And it's like a $25 part, and it's like no. And it fails. No.
Yeah, they definitely can fail. I haven't seen them fail too often though. It's usually like when you're beating them.
Oh, well, I don't know how that happens. It's just automatic with the heat of the motor, you know. Anyway, so that
you might need to use some like thicker oil for your area just so like it regulates heat a little bit better.
Yes.
Don't worry about me. I'm just ordering water over here.
Oh man, from the masseuse is gonna bring it up with a warm towel.
Yep, Yaz. Take your time. Take your time, Yaz. There's no reason to rush or push. Base hitting gets the payouts and gets you funded. If you practice the base hits in the eval, it's easier to get payouts in the funded because you do the same exact thing. So we had that buying wick on that previous 5-minute candle there. So that was kind of keeping me out of trying to take a short. Like I said, we got to get above that pivot for me to be wanting to take a long. And I'll be waiting for the line on the 2-minute to get broken if I'm trying to take a long there. Because right now I don't want to get trapped. I don't want to get trapped and get squeezed just in case the market still wants to continue down. Because we could just be building structure right now for the bear flag. So that's why I'm just patiently waiting for the momentum. Because no momentum, no trade. Because we ain't trying to get chopped. Alrighty. Looking like some downward momentum there. We like that. We do like that there. Coming. Let's get to my line.
Oh, he's gearing up. He's licking his chops again.
No, I think my thing just went out. Yep. It just lagged really bad there.
I was lag.
So that lets me know. Well, someone was, because I'm using my hotspot from my phone, I may have to put it on do not disturb, because when people try calling it like messes up the hotspot.
Kind of like the call steals bandwidth.
Yeah. So that's what that just was. That's dangerous. We broke through the yellow line. So stupid. Let's see if we get some continuation to the low side here. Well, we did break through that yellow line. We did break out that 15-minute range. Then we pulled right back into it.
Thank you, like.
I feel like right now I'd want to see ES attempt to come and try to like re-correlate again. It's gonna go down to 150, 50. And by doing that, I'm sure NQ would continue dropping at the same time.
Yeah, no, I can't take trades. What was that? That's crazy. Yep, nope. That's why I'm testing on this eval here, because that lag right there was horrendous. Like, so I will not be executing any trades on my fundeds. I'm gonna see if I could get this switched back over to my house internet, because that was crazy.
Yeah, you can do it, man. I believe in you.
Yeah, but I did not like how bad that fill was.
Well, try to go in and just make sure that it's not, like, there's not a security setting on that computer.
Yeah, I'm gonna check in a second here. I'm currently in this trade.
Oh, you're in a trade. Oh, my
Yeah,
God.
and it gave me an orange line, not a blue line. It gave me an orange line, then a blue line, and now there's just, yeah, I'm not, no.
What the hell even is an orange line? That's like a new one. Just kiss your ass goodbye line, I guess.
Pretty much. Yeah, this is dangerous right now with how this is moving.
You gonna sell or buy?
He's done now.
But now it's saying it's connect. I'm not on the hotspot anymore. I'm on my house internet. It's saying connected, so
Well, do this, Duane. This will allay your fears. Run a benchmark test, like a speed test, like off screen, and just make sure that computer is pulling your full bandwidth. You know what I mean? That way you can just rest assured that that's what I would do.
well, that entry was better there. I had no lag on that. I did have no lag on. I'm gonna still just keep clicking some buttons here on this eval right now just to see, because we're connected to the house internet now. I don't know what's going on.
In that benchmark test, man.
Well, that fill I just had on that was pretty spot on. So we may, since we're off that hot spot, we may actually be a little bit better now. We got a pivot point. We do have a pivot point down here, sitting at 218.75. 218.75 for a pivot. We got news in 5 more minutes. 5 more minutes for more news coming out.
Got a bunch of news like every 15, 30 minutes.
That's good. It keeps the market moving.
True.
It does keep the market moving. All right, we still have a lot of selling pressure. I feel like we're going to hit that range from yesterday. It's right below that pivot. I would love to see another flag. And on the 1 minute, we actually did have another flag. Maybe I'm just going to start watching this 1 minute today because we're getting more flag showings on that 1 minute than the 2 minute. But I like the 2 minute because it keeps you out of a lot of stuff. So you're not over trading. How's everyone doing in the chat? How's everyone doing in the chat? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? If you're up for the day, go ahead, throw that W in the chat. If you're down for the day, put a D in the chat. You know what I'm saying? For down. You know what I'm saying? And if you're flat, put a 0. Here comes that pivot. Like I said, there we go. Tapping that pivot. Broke into that range from yesterday as well. We got 3 minutes for news. 3 more minutes for news here. So I'm honestly probably just going to be hands off right now. Unless this momentum just keeps on going the way it's going. May make me want to jump on in. Come on, Betsy. Feel like my internet has stabilized a little bit. And I keep checking, make sure we're connected to the right one. I guess the union worker came in and flipped the switch for this computer today, so we'll take it finally. Just move my yellow line down. There. I would want us to get down to that overnight low, that 185.25. That was the low for the overnight. Got this big push up right now, but
We're coming up in 45 seconds to the news.
oh, thank you, Steve. 45 seconds for the news at 10 o'clock here. How much would you say you earn a day? It varies, bro. It honestly varies. Yesterday, I made $6,000 in funded accounts. So it honestly varies. It honestly just depends. Like, so far, I have not taken any trades on a funded account yet because my internet was kind of being weird this morning. So I've been taking some trades on this eval just to see if the latency, everything's like that cleaned up. Because you don't want to copy trade 15 funded accounts on bad internet. Just saying. I wouldn't do it, but that's just me. Looking like we're going to get this bear flag here. I want to get below that pivot point if we're going to take a short.
And that is the news, that candle. So.
Yep. News just pushed that price right back up slightly, but not a crazy reaction for the news at 10 here.
What news is it exactly? Because it seems kind of ridiculous.
Let's see. It's Chicago PMI. Oh wait, no, that's my bad. That was the previous news. This one's the CB leading index M/F. I forgot what it
All right, push it up towards the low of that 15. What's up, Warrior? Good morning, sir. Oh, you didn't miss all the fun, bro. You did not miss all the fun. There will be more opportunities. Like, technically, you could say I missed the fun, right? Because my internet was messed up, so I couldn't really execute any trades comfortably because I'm not trying to take a trade on a 5G hotspot and then something bad happened and then I can't close or something like that. No, thank you. Right now, we're just waiting. I'm going to take one more trade on this Lucid account here. And if I like how it's feeling with the internet, then I will switch over to some funded accounts here. But if today's a day where I can't trade my fundeds, I'm not mad about that either. Because we're simply base hitting. That's it. So we popped into the low of that 15-minute range there. We're back in now. Come on, Betsy.
I guess for long confirmation on the 5-minute, we got to get up to 324. Slightly higher time frame confirmation.
Well, 324 is the fourth resistance score on the Camarillo pivot, just so you know.
Oh, really? 324s?
Yeah.
Interesting. Yeah, that would be that 5-minute confirmation for longs.
Okay. A little latency on the exit there. The entry was spot on, but the exit was not that good. All right, switching over to some PAs. I'm waiting. Your boy's waiting on this one. I need that A++ setup. But I feel like we may try pushing up to test that 21 EMA up there at 330, 330.50. What was that?
545.
Hey, let's go.
Hey. W, bro.
Because right here, the sellers would have to step in to make this a bear flag right here and push this price down right in this area. Or the bulls may try building out a little bull flag right here. But I want the sellers to take control if they're trying to short this. This would be probably the top of the flag. I wouldn't want to go any much higher.
I think this could be some kind of buying pressure maybe manipulating, just because it stepped in right before we took London low, and we kind of rejected right before London low.
Yeah.
And that's what we were trailing down to like the whole time. I think it'd be nice to get like 1 or 2 red candles and then try to go for the bull flag.
Yeah, I definitely want to see some type of flag right now. I want an A++ setup for this one. And let's say we build a bull flag right here, right? I'm fine with that. As long as we got the momentum with it.
And we don't take too much of that pull, right? Otherwise, it's probably coming down.
Well, that's my whole thing. Like right now, this would be like, for me, a potential, if we come further down, it may be a bear flag.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? Because we had the push down. Here's the pull. Well, let me get another line, actually. So that's the pull. And then we have another line right there. So that's the upside down flag. Moves, walk away, bro. Walk away. So I know that looks kind of confusing, but that would be the bear flag. So we got to drop below that bottom yellow line for me to want to take the short. And if we're going to continue long, we got to break above this top yellow line, right? With good momentum, Watching that 5 minute as well. I want to see how that 5 minute candle acts. I just need clean, clear momentum with the flag. That's all I'm looking for right now.
Oh man, I can't even get coffee. There's no milk.
This may be our bull flag on the 2 minute. Let's see if we get through that top yellow line with follow through. Coming up to my yellow line.
Oh my.
And then it does that. You see? My thing just lagged again. Thank God I did not click anything. Yo, what? I may not be able to trade.
Yeah, I feel like there's something behind the scenes happening right there.
Did that lag for everybody there?
Yeah, that was just a green candle perking up, and then it just flashed red.
Did you see the gap on that? The drop.
Maybe it's not my internet. Maybe it's the market this morning. Because
Oh,
I was watching my Rincos. I'm like, why did it stop? And then all this volume just dumped into it.
That's just old fashioned rug pulls going on right now.
It was literally going up and then all of a sudden just flop, flop. Like there was no pause. Just completely changed.
Well, Brett, I like a lot of movement. I love a lot of movement, but the Rinco bars normally show you a lot of movement. You know what I'm saying? They don't normally freeze like that.
I'm telling you, there's something going on.
All right, we're good with my 700. I'm done. I'm not gonna touch this boom.
Don't, bro. Don't. It's not worth it, man.
No, I'm good. I'm just watching it now, but yo, that was crazy.
I think the Bears are gonna come mitigate this. It's not looking great, looking heavy.
There we go. 460 on 15 accounts right there. Done on that.
You had an order, Phil?
I just did.
Nice.
So just made $6,900. And we're going through. I pre-ran that bad boy. Man, I should have waited. I should have freaking waited. I would have been up like over $10,000. Crazy. Crazy. Look at that flag. Mama, there goes that freaking man.
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, folks. I'm sorry.
This is getting like deep in here.
Let me make sure everything copy traded properly. Oh, hold on. What's this? No, I didn't make 460. My leader account, tell me how. I made 460 on the leader. All the other ones I made over $500.
Yo, that's a W.
And for everyone's like, oh, I don't believe you. I don't believe you. Oh, well, I'm clicking way too. How did I open that? That's weird.
Who cares these people that don't believe it? And then people get like a lottery thing. Like if you're making like $4 grand a day, oh, that's not enough for me. Yeah, so how much are you making at the gas station, motherfucker?
Well, there you go. That's what I've done today. I'm done trading. I'm officially done trading. There's no reason to do anything else. There is no freaking reason. On a bad internet day as well. That's crazy. There you go. I traded 17 accounts today. 15 of those are funded accounts. My bad, folks. My bad.
Mama, there goes that man.
I should add this up just to see how much we actually did.
Oh, geez, yeah. So let's just tell us.
I'm adding this up real quick.
Why are you using a Bacchus? A baby?
How many 543s?
I
One,
did the
two,
most
three.
laziest thing the other day.
What is that? Like made a hot pocket while stoned?
No, chill.
Made a hot pocket while stoned.
Like,
I'm gonna add that up later. Too many, and this thing's still moving.
look, I was just kidding. Somebody felt convicted on that.
Someone felt convicted.
No, what I was gonna say was I saw this like board and it had a bunch of different like activities and stuff on it, right? But I didn't feel like reading and looking at the details and stuff like that, so I took a picture of it and then I just put it into Gemini and I just asked it to summarize everything and then just tell me the fun stuff, and it actually broke everything down like perfectly. And I was like, damn, that saved so much time and effort.
Listen, AI is amazing if you use it right. If you use AI properly, it is a life hack. It will help you with simple tasks that you don't feel like doing. And it makes it cleaner as well, being honest with you.
Hey, I use, like Duane uses ChatGPT, right? Who else uses another one?
I use ChatGPT, I have Gemini, and then I also have Claude. And then there's one that kind of is a mixture with Google, but it's also kind of built with Claude, but it's called like anti-gravity.
All right, so pushing up off this pivot point right now. But for me personally, right now, let's see, because we're starting to get that buying pressure. All right, I'm looking at this. Let me move some of these lines out the way. That big bear flag did pay because I got paid on it. But let me move this line over. I don't want to see this pushing up too far away from this pivot point if we're still in a bearish market right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, let's move the line over to these. So that would be our little flag. Anything more than that, that would negate the flag right there. So I would not be taking it short until we get below that pivot point, to be honest with y'all. Yeah, it's an extra tool in the toolbox, Steven. I love AI. Like, it helps me with so many different things. Like, for one of my companies offline, right? We have this this tracker service for all of our vehicles. And the system has been horrible lately. It hasn't been loading properly. Hasn't been showing that exact location how it's supposed to on time. So I went on ChatGPT. I'm like, hey, what's the best vehicle tracker you could get in 2026? And it told me right away. I looked up the company. They're on Forbes, everything like that, for being one of the best companies. So what did I do? I bought their trackers yesterday. I didn't have to go on Google, hey, what's the best company? None of that. It let me know. It searched the web and let me know. I bought it. I got some today coming in, and my people are going to put them on all of our cars. Geotab, okay. Yeah, I went with Bouncy. AI was going to take everybody's job. It's not. It depends on how you use it, bro. Because will AI take some jobs? Yes, but it can't take all the jobs. There's too many things AI can't do. Just saying. And this is making me, I gotta realize I had to learn from my mistake on Monday of this week. I had boo-boo. No, Monday? What's today? Thursday?
Yeah.
Yesterday was basically, so Tuesday I had a boo-boo, right? I was up in my accounts, like $200 on 15 accounts or whatever. I'm like, all right, cool. I'm good. Solid base hit day. But then your boy, hey, I'm a real trader, after the stream, I see the market doing something. Let me click the button without really looking. Clicked it. Instantly lost what I put in that day. And then gave more of the account back. It was bad. So my rule for myself, take your profits and go. Maybe I'll buy some more evals. Maybe I'll do that. But I'm not trading these funded accounts again for the day. Even though I like the movement, even though I can like almost see what it wants to do. We're getting a bear flag on that 5 minute. You know what I'm saying? But I can't trade it with these funded accounts because I'm not trying to give any profits back. Secure your bag, get out the bank, and go before the cops show up. That other bear flag on that 2 minute right there as well. Like I said, we get below that pivot. That would be the short.
I think there's about to be a big flush, honestly, because we're about to take out London Law and yes.
Yeah, okay, let me go to yes. Thank you for that. Okay, yeah, I see.
Because once that finally, starts to recorrelate a little bit, might be helpful.
Hey, VP, I'm sorry about the hot pocket joke. That was.
Oh, dude, I don't care. That's fine.
Not the hot pocket joke.
He's like, no, that's too. No. Okay.
No, we're all good friends here. I'm chilling, homie.
I'm chilling, homie. Dang. Destination area not long. What? Okay. And that's a sign right there. That's a sign right there. My whole Ninja Trader just crashed. That's crazy. Yo, today I'm having a day. Today I'm having a day. Let me log back in. And what that just let me know, I'm not taking any more trades because the fact that I'm having this many disruptions today is wild. But disruptions always follows intention. So I'm having difficulties here this morning. Not trying to have difficulties, but this thing's acting like crazy for me today.
You notice, VP, that the Dow is going, it's full blown bull.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah, that one is straight going. That actually looks like it might have been an AMD setup. You can kind of see like how it just stayed within that range and then manipulated the lows and then distributed the highs.
I was just trying to connect Tradeify here. Let me try again. Let's see if, oh, there we go.
I just threw a trade in on that and just went long and did pretty good. Just having a little fun.
This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq.
NQ has officially taken Asia low too, so now that's kind of the next issue.
I got what you needed. How do you want to handle Buddy? I'm still here. Gotta talk to the manager real quick.
What you're feeling, oh great one.
This may be a kind of a classic example of where we might manipulate London and Asia lows and then reverse, but we'll have to see what happens.
I'm waiting. It's so far down. I'm waiting for it to show me that it's gonna go back up.
Yeah, I would as well. I'd probably be waiting for a higher time frame confirmation to tell me.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm waiting for at least the 30.
Hey, Moose, it sounds like you're like a Moose. It sounds like you're a voice in my head. It's like you're like way in the background, dude.
Am I far?
I'll hit you after this.
Oh, you sound better now.
Oh, you moved. I sat up.
Okay.
Maybe he's totally.
All right, that works. I'll call you back. Bye.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you guys hear
Yeah,
me?
we can hear you. Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I'm waiting for at least the 30 to confirm that it's gonna go up. Because on the 30, right at
I'm watching for another bear flag here.
That's a nice support.
One. Yeah, music just ended, so I'm gonna have to get some more music for us.
The 15th shows me a doji as well.
Let's see here. We're back above that pivot point. We are back above that pivot. Can I follow this chart? You can try. This is the Nasdaq. This is the Nasdaq, brother. We trade futures every morning. Yes, sir.
I mean, if you look at your 15, man, you don't want to short into that wick.
That is a strong wick right there. Like John Wick.
Oh no! Oh no!
I don't know if y'all ready for it.
He's feeling sassy today, folks.
I'm not feeling sassy. Your boy printed over $6,000. So I'm vibing. I'm chilling.
Chilling like a villain. Swilling.
Like, this is the fun part now where I just get like the pressure's completely off. I don't really need to perform anymore.
Oh, so that's what you do. You perform.
So actually, I did over $7,500. Over $7,500 a day.
Well, guess what? I didn't. So there's that.
Well, that's okay. You want to know why it's okay, Steve? Another opportunity is coming for you to execute. That's simple. So I put my yellow line back up there because my stuff got all messed up. So I had to get some more yellow lines. We go through that yellow line with momentum. That would be your short once again. Because the only way that I'm looking for a buying opportunity today is we have to get a bull flag to print. No bull flag, I'm not taking any long. Brett, actually, you'll know a professional that you can make $7,500 in less than an hour. Like with my cleaning business, like we do like roof cleanings. You're correct, not $7,500 in less than an hour. Our largest roof cleaning we did was for a college campus on a metal roof. It took us like 12 hours to get done, and I charged them like $20-something thousand. And after all expenses, paying my guys, everything like that for that roof cleaning, like we profited like 12 grand or something like that for that one job. Or it was probably a little bit more like 15. 5 grand in expenses. But yeah, you're right. Just doing the numbers in my head right now. My math ain't math. Yeah, you're right, Brett. What else can we do to make $7,500 in less than a freaking hour? Just freaking saying. Moose has the OnlyFans. If you want to join, his OnlyFans is very provocative. He shows you how to have the sickest fade.
Yeah, look, my thing is onlyfans.com. Moose is loose.
Yeah, that's one thing. That's one side I'm definitely not going to.
I have reindeer masks on.
I have reindeer masks. This is crazy. If we get below that pivot, I want a full flush. But just waiting. We may not get it. Moosey loose. But I'm proud of myself because your boy's back to being dialed. Like yesterday, because of my loss on Tuesday, I felt like slightly like, I wasn't liking the feeling when I was trading. But I got my mojo back. And we're going to keep printing. That's it. Mind you, I made like 6 grand yesterday, or 5 grand, something like that yesterday. And I didn't like the feeling. So listen, it doesn't matter how much money you make. You all have to understand, we all have to learn how to control our emotions and the feelings that we feel when trading. We're sitting above this pivot point. I need to see a clean bull flag for me to take along.
All right, we're doing it. We're doing it right now.
Because we do have that 21 EMA. It's been creeping down to us. That 21 EMA is sitting there at 264.50. 264.50. So if I'm taking along, that's what I'm targeting. But I would want to see an actual bull flag print to take me there. So we can stay above this pivot point. Grab this line here. Yeah, I probably wouldn't want to really take that. We're back below that pivot. Debating if I pre-run this. No, I'm not in trade yet.
No, we're checking out your OnlyFans. Everybody got really quiet. Oh.
I have one with black light and glow in the dark.
Oh my goodness.
Did not get filled there, which is annoying.
Oh my goodness.
Coming back down to the London low right there. Brett, have a good day, bro. Much love, brother. Let's see how we at. We touched my yellow line. We did touch it. But I want the full follow through. Come on, Betsy. What are you going to do, girl? Don't play hard to get now. My water's been delivered to my front door. We'll take that.
Was that quick?
Yeah, man. Okay. Just sitting here waiting, seeing if we get another opportunity. I'm not trading funded. This is eval here, which is close to like getting breached. So that's why I sized down just slightly. I think I have like $100. Listen, Tuesday, after your boy kind of went on tilt after the stream a little bit. Which I'm not happy about. I only had $60, and that little pullback of the 60, there goes that account.
The 5-minute indicator is starting to curve. My 9. So I think we'll eventually go back up. Starting to curve upward. Then 2 is already pointing upward too. 1 is pointing up. Take a bite.
We don't have enough momentum. And right below that pivot, once again, here comes this break of the flag. We're coming to my yellow line. We get to that yellow line with that follow through. That would be a short. Bulls trying to push that price back up, but the Bears want to take it lower.
That 5-minute candle is saying like, wow, well you're looking at the 2-minute too, so you like those wicks.
I do not like those wicks.
He's slashing the buttons.
Right up to that 21 EMA right there, breaking through that top yellow line I had. Let's see how we react on this 21 EMA. Let's see if it acts as a speed bump or if it's going to be a complete U-turn. Let's see. No, that 15-minute range is going to get tagged, it's looking like.
MVP, like the Dow, man. I've been cleaning up with some long work on there.
Really?
Yeah.
I think it's like $5 a point. It's not bad.
But like, look at it. It's like directional. It's like the flag printed and it's just going.
Yeah. It just did a small retest after it broke. And then it popped.
Here comes that 20, not 21, the low of that 15-minute range, the low of that 15-minute range right there. Tomorrow, May 1st. Crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy.
I know my oldest son is graduating with his 4-year degree in college like next week.
Oh, that's amazing.
And then he's gonna like get his CPA and take that test, but he's getting his degree. But like, wow.
Time flies. Time flies.
And he's coming over here to work out today, and I'm gonna destroy him because.
Yeah, my son's graduating college next week. But today, I'm going to destroy him.
Here's the deal, man. It's like we've been getting heavy, and like I'm gonna give him a proper leg day.
Okay.
Because we've been kind of doing total body, but I'm starting to get more into the split, and I'm feeling it. I just want to destroy. You can come too. We got weights.
I'll be with my trainer today. Getting destroyed over there. There's that rejection off that 15-minute range there. What's up, Acer? How you doing this morning, bro? Nvidia printed this morning, bro? Nice, man. I only made $7,500 today. Another day in paradise. Look, coming back down to that pivot point once again. And be careful, my stuff just froze. There it goes. Yeah, today's been a disruption day. Hey, we'll take that, bro. Good job.
Let me log off of this right here. 970 for today. That's it. I'm done.
Hey, let's go, Moose. Let's go, boy.
I literally logged it off.
Yeah, but now he's logging back in as he said that.
No, I really, I have a little different mindset right now.
What's the mindset? Tell all the people at their homes what's your mindset?
Basics.
Oh, finally, sir.
Build a sandcastle.
Finally, man. Glad you can come to the green side.
Yeah,
I gotta chill.
Gotta chill before his cold death get ill.
Want to take my son camping soon, so I gotta buy a tent.
Oh, cool. Where are you gonna go, Moose?
I don't know. I'm thinking of Walmart because I see a bunch of people there.
Well, no, where are you going camping?
That's what I'm saying.
Oh,
Walmart.
you're being sly about this.
Facts. Facts.
No, I want to do like I heard there's a park by Anna Maria Island that's really nice.
Yeah.
And then I don't have an RV, but I'm gonna get the tent that attaches to your car. So
Well, you're getting bougie on us, aren't you?
to be honest, I see no point in a tent that attaches to the car. It just looks cool, but I'm not gonna sleep in the car, so I don't know why they make that. You know, but
Yeah, no, I got you.
I'm gonna get it though. And I also have I'm gonna bring my dog, of course, and I have a portable AC. I'm gonna do a fancy camping.
Why don't you just take your trailer, bro?
Totally.
Then I gotta remove the chair, and you know, but it would be a good idea. I'd probably cut hair there too, make money.
No, because you already have the AC in there, everything set up. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could drop the back of it, just be chilling.
You know what? That is true. I can. I literally can.
Yeah, because the tent sucks, dude.
Yeah.
Like, you literally have a nice trailer with AC, bro.
You know, I really.
They could throw like some air mattresses in there, bro, for you and your son. Blow them up. Now you're sleeping on like a nice bed, not the ground. You know what I'm saying? I'm sorry.
No, but you're very right because I actually have TVs in it already. I have everything that I need. I have AC and my generators. I can plug it into an electric because they're electric generators. I can probably get into like a.
And you got your solar.
Yup.
Come on. You're welcome. I just saved you, bro.
Like switching to Geico.
That's
You know what? Yeah, it is a good idea actually. All I gotta do is take out the chair. That's it. 'Cause I'm not gonna need it.
Well, or you could sit there and watch TV in your chair.
true too. You can literally leave the chair, take out your that back chair, right? The back chair in your trailer. Take that one out. Put the mattresses there.
Yeah, that is true. For a barber, if any barbers are listening, we love to sit on our chair. That's like the most like comfortable spot ever.
Right now, Market's going sideways. We're just going sideways right here. So honestly, don't touch it. Do not touch this, folks. And whoever's, oh, why isn't he clicking the button to trade? I'm done trading. I'm freaking done.
No, you're just getting started.
I'll be back tomorrow to print some more with y'all. But today I'm done. No reason to risk it for the biscuit today.
Well, this is a part of the broadcast where BP bestows his grand call.
Do what now?
You name the next trade that Duane should take.
Oh, absolutely not.
I would have to buy another eval for that
Oh
one.
yeah, because you've never done that before. You have your card on file.
Maybe we'll do that full port Friday. Maybe tomorrow. I'll let BP tell me to take the long or short. Yeah, I'll full port it. 15 contracts.
15? Oh my goodness. Maybe not 15.
Somebody in the chat's gonna be like, it's only 15.
I like the pool, Steve. I like the pool, bro.
Yeah, that's my camp setup, man. Like we're chilling.
Like that.
I gotta send out the Moose. Hey Moose, stand by.
All right, we're below my yellow line there, clearing some wicks out as well. I had a target down here. I had a target. I wasn't calling out 161 even. And then we get some volume like that. That's why I wasn't calling nothing out. Because I did have that first target from the 15-minute range low side, 161. But right now we're just going sideways. I don't like the sideways action.
Steve, I need that.
Yeah, I'm telling you, you buy one of those, and you have your trailer, and you're big pimping right there.
Big pimping.
You know what's funny? You color coordinated with the trailer.
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that too.
Oh my god, that is awesome.
That's how we roll. Like when I'm camping, we're just chilling, and it just
Amazon?
like is at 5 and below.
Really? Oh, that's a great thing.
For everyone on YouTube, how you guys doing? Are you guys up? Are you down? Are you all around? You're listening to me and the Legacy Wealth Society Market Makers chilling. I'm done trading for the day. So I'm chilling for the next 19 minutes, just talking with y'all, vibing with the members of the community, and that's it. You know what I'm saying? Down 500. Hey, guess what, Rob? Tomorrow's a new day. New month as well. Tomorrow you'll base in and get that money back, bro.
Hey, BP, there's like, look at the Dow. It's like getting cut off right at 49609. Just like, there's that liquidity grab right there. Like,
609. What price?
What price?
Alexa, go to YM.
I am.
Go to the Dow.
I am. I'm looking at it.
What do you see, man? There's like, look at it. It's like it's getting cut off right there, like a lawnmower. This doesn't have a problem with the bimetal choke.
Going right back up to that 21 EMA. Maybe we, honestly, I'm not liking the current price action because right now we've been literally just going sideways around this pivot point. We go above it, we go below it, we go above it, we go below it, going sideways. That's not good action.
Yo, Slayer, this whole thing going sideways.
Yeah, it is.
I'm telling you, like, the only thing that actually looks like it was moving was the Dow. Well, you're not trading right now. Look at the Dow right now.
Look at the Dow.
Look at YM. Look at what it looks like.
Let's see here.
It looked he had like the most bullish day in his life. No, it's not the most bullish day in his life.
That's actually,
But still, I mean, that's good action right there. I mean, come on.
that honestly is because you had 1, 2, looks like it's trying to do 3 bull flags right there on the Dow. Just looking at that.
Yeah, I mean, it moves different. Like, I like it after hours sometimes because it just kind of lockstep. You know, but it's a set and forget. So, like, if you're like trading, it's hard to scalp.
Yeah.
But you know, money is cash money.
No, I just accidentally moved it.
Duane would probably end up doing like 8 contracts or something like that minimum.
What's it worth on YM?
Yeah.
What is it?
$5 a point, and NQ's 20 a point. So you'd use 2 minis on NQ, and then you'd have to use, I think, 8 minis on the Dow.
Gotcha. If you zoom out on the Nasdaq this morning, right? Like we're going sideways underneath the range for the morning. Because I just zoomed down looking at it, I'm like, yeah, we're literally just going sideways underneath this thing. From consolidation, the move happens, folks. From consolidation, the move happens. Remember that.
Waiting for the 5-minute to think about closing above this candlestick at 10:15, but it's rejected off of the same candlestick over and over.
I'm glad I'm done trading because this ain't my style here. You know what I'm saying? We don't like this type of action. 5 minutes, the bottom of a cup. Okay. We need to see if we get back to that 15-minute range, right? When we get into it, we got to make sure we don't reject and push back down like we've been doing. Because if we get us a little bull flag with some momentum, I'm not trading it, but y'all can.
My name is Paul. This is between you all.
Tonight we got the traders hanging out 9:30 p.m. Eastern time. We're talking trading, talking life, and everything in between. The hangouts this week have been very, very fun. It's been a good vibe. I know you like the vibes on these morning streams. Picture better vibes than this. Poolside and fireside. Just saying. Doesn't get better than that. So come hang out with us. It's always a good time getting to know you guys a little bit better. Helping answer those questions you may have that you can't ask anybody else. That's what we do for the Trader Hangouts. And we're going to be there tonight. And for all my legacy members in here and my market makers, I'm giving you guys pre-warning here. Next week, you will see a whole lot more posts being posted in the community discussion, on all the pages, everything like that. I'm not making the notifications for every single post because I feel like that would be too much for y'all that have your notifications turned on your phone, because all you will see is legacy, right?
Yeah, put it in front of your eyes.
So if you are on the app or on the computer, on the community, and you see something, just interact with it. You may not be notified about it, but when you see it, interact with it. Because I'm tightening it up. You know what I'm saying? I'm tightening it up, right? We're over 330 members in the community. And I'm like, we need to get more active. So I got more posts that we're going to be posting. I got more questions we're going to be posting. We're going to be doing polls, everything. And then next Tuesday, we have another training for the builders and all the higher paid tiers. So make sure you're there for that as well. Cup and handle maybe on the 5-minute. Let me look. There we
go. Everybody, if you can hear me, don't forget to drop the likes.
Captain, everybody can hear you crystal clear.
Well, sometimes I'll put something on there and it just sits, and it's like, okay, it's like I went over MySpace and put something. So if there's gonna be interaction, that's cool. I'll post.
Yeah, post for all those folks that are lifting, working out, staying disciplined off the charts. Make sure you post in that fitness page as well. That's there to keep us accountable, being active. Because if you're active off the charts, you'll be active on the charts. That's how it works, folks.
I did send you that one picture of like post-workout last week, and you didn't even say nothing about it. You're like, oh, that's whatever.
I don't know even what you're talking about.
It's right. It's the one that I sent prior to.
Have a good one, Rob.
The one that I sent prior to the pool one this week.
Steve going to make me look. We spoke on that last week. I said White Jesus. Remember?
Okay, that's right. Okay, I had White Jesus. That's right.
Yeah, that's why I said Stevie Job Turkey. You better pay attention and listen up. I said that last week. Don't come at me today. Don't do that.
What time are you hopping off, Dwayne?
I'm hopping off at 11. Like, I know it's kind of boring now because I'm not executing trades for some of y'all, but I'm just chilling. Like, I'm here because I stay till 11 with y'all. Make sure you guys are dialed as much as possible. Right now, that heartbeat of the market is showing consolidation right now. Let's see if we stay above the low of this 15-minute range, we may start to push back up. If we get below that 15-minute range, not a fan. Just saying. After seeing that Michael Jackson movie. All right, that's the bull flag right there, trying to print on the 2-minute right here. I want to get more follow through because I would be taking that. I would be targeting, honestly, the pivot point above us. The pivot point above us, that 343.25. 343.25 would be what I'd be targeting. We do have to get through that 300 level, though. So we be looking for more bull flags starting to print, because that's what I said, right? The only time I want to start going long is once I start seeing bull flags printing. And the whole thing with the pattern of bull flags and bear flags, they will repeat themselves. So you'll see a first bull flag, cool. You can take it if you want, but if you don't, that's okay. Wait for the next one and then execute. And that's it. I'm trying to get down by next week. I'm already down another 2 pounds since last Friday. So if I could get by Monday another like couple pounds off, your boy's happy. Because I'm shooting for the month of May. I'm going to be back in the 200s. All right, there's that bull flag starting to push there. There we go. Like I said, that 343 level will be the level I'm trying to get to. We got through that 300 level, so that 343 level is going to be the next level that we're going to see if we reject or keep pushing through. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. I know you can do it.
Steve,
Yeah.
I just realized ES gave the signal a long time ago.
I was looking at yes. Oh.
Because you remember how I was saying on NQ, I was waiting for the 10:15 a.m. candle to get a closure above?
Yeah, yeah.
It already had happened on the ES.
Well, there you go. Now I'm looking at it. I can see it.
Dang. I should have taken that flag, man. Because we were literally pushed over 40 points when we hit that pivot. Crazy. But it's okay. Wait for the next flaggy flag. Because they love to repeat themselves. Because we got that VWAP above that pivot as well. So we got a lot of stuff trying to pull that market up. So the closer we get to it, just know the more likely we're going to swipe it. For all the new folks jumping in here, welcome. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I'd love to see how far these streams are reaching. Since these bad boys are global. We're trading the Nasdaq futures. We do this Monday through Friday live with you guys, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. And then every single night of the week, we have a traders hangout where we vibe poolside, fireside, talking trading, talking life, everything in between. Welcome, everybody. We got Cali in the house, South Carolina. Let's go. Appreciate y'all tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, that sub button, because when we hit 3K subs, I'm giving away another trading desk. Yes, that's my appreciation to y'all. Every 1,000 subs, I give away another trading standing desk. Yeah, Rob, I thought you left. You see, I was tested. Rob's been lurking in the shadows. Yes, I give away a standing desk every 1,000 subs, and I jump in the pool, a massive cannonball. I may accidentally put the fire out because the cannonball splash is so big.
Oh, I'll see that, and I'll love it.
So there we go. Just went 40 points on a call that I just did. Craziness. So you could have gotten the full 40. You could have gotten 20. You could have gotten 10. But you would have printed. Y'all welcomes. Y'all welcomes. Today was a solid day. $7,500 on the day. I'll gladly take that and run. So it's weird. Like, copy trading is weird. Like, on days that you hit, you're like, oh, yeah. But on days that you don't, man, it messes with you a little bit. Not going to lie. Hey, let's go, Cameron. That's amazing. Cameron's up 1850 on the day. Let's go. Are you trading prop accounts or personal funds, bro? All right, we're above that VWAP. Let's see if we build another flag above this pivot in VWAP. Mainly above that pivot. If we can hold above that VWAP, that's even better. But I don't want to drop below that pivot. That'd be my line in the sand right now. I don't want to drop below that pivot point if I'm looking for another long here. But what did I say? The flags always repeat themselves, folks.
What were you saying? What did you just say?
Oh, yeah, for the people in the back of the class, I got the flags always repeat themselves. So let's see if this flag right here starts to form. We got about a minute left on it. Let's see if we consolidate a little bit right here on this VWAP. The next candle will be a green one, a rip us higher, hopefully. Hey, Warrior, let's go, bro. 403, take your money and run, fam. Take your money and run. Base hitting. Love to see it, bro. Pushing through my yellow line right there. I'm not too happy about that because we didn't get the full bull flag. But beggars can't be choosers, I guess. I want this candle to close red. Next candle green a rip. Warrior, we all coulda, shoulda, woulda, but you locked in profit. That's all that matters. Green is green, brother. Green is green. Come back tomorrow, do another base hit. We're going long term. We're not going short term. Trading is a marathon, not a sprint.
Marathon, not a sprint. I got a call from a producer that I know that wants to do like a movie, but he's talking big, but he better have a budget.
Yeah. Yeah, it gets pricey.
Well, no, I mean, it's just like, man, I'm not in on the end run. You're paying me. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. No, 100%.
I don't need to have a credit. You know, cash. So we'll see about that.
We're approaching the middle of the 15-minute range, folks. The middle of that 15-minute range is 381.25, 381.25 there. Let's see if we can get a nice structured flag. Because with that middle of that 15-minute range, we want to get through there very, very fast. Because we don't like to diddle in the middle. Bad for business. Bad for freaking business. We have not got another bull flag yet. So that's what I would be waiting on if I was still trading another bull flag form before I execute another long. But it's been a pleasure. Legacy members, market makers, everything like that. Hopefully you guys printed today or made a little green today. Doesn't have to be, as long as you're green, you should be good. And if you had a red day, listen, it happens to all of us. Reset, come back tomorrow knowing it's a clean slate and execute your strategy and you'll get the results you want.
Let's see it. Duane, let's see that flag that close out on a high note.
Well, I'm trying to wait for it, but it's taking too long.
No, you got your listen. BP, are you set up for a long right now?
All right, there's the flag. There's the flag right there. That was the flag. There's the swipe. Just like that. Just like that. Crazy. Almost like someone knows what's going on. We had the flag. We had the little, that candle printed the red, so that's what we needed. And then we did the little push, but we're right here in the middle of the 15-minute range. Don't diddle in the middle, boys. Don't diddle in the middle. I would expect us now at this point to continue pushing up to possibly retest the high of this 15-minute range, to be honest with y'all. We've already tested the low of the range, So that's why I'm like pretty confident we'll go up and test the high of it. So, but now we're above the VWAP. So just start looking for those bull flags, wait for them to form, and execute when you see the momentum. Don't execute until you see the freaking momentum. With that being said, family and friends and new subscribers, everything like that, appreciate you guys hanging out with us this morning to print some money. We will be back tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern for the morning stream, but we're live tonight at 9:30 p.m. for the hangout stream tonight. So tune in. It's going to be a good vibe. We'll be happy to have some more conversations with y'all. And for all my legacy family members in the chat and my market makers, love y'all. I will catch y'all later on.
All right, y'all.
Take care, Duane.
Be blessed, everybody. Stay safe in these crazy markets.
Take care, YouTube.
Back to OnlyFans. Bye.
All right, gentlemen. I'm out. Deuces.